Update survive pi barok gitu lok kecor. Pat ngai ku blai ru pi barok di subscriber. Kita laju ke channel ngah nak por support. To blai undang ker ku kedok pi pinang yok kemen upat ke koi ku kia. Hak jeng yalang jong ki lai tali ki autonomous district council. Kapelalong hamanin ngesngi ka arpu sautrik jong manaw yayong arjar arpu lai. Ki pakentup ya ka KHADC lane Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council hapok jinglam jong ba Taito Starwell Chini kumusi nang ta sa Chantia Hill Autonomous District Council hapok jinglam jong ma Thombor Siwat kumusi bat ka Koro Hill Autonomous District Council hapok jinglam jong Albinus Marak kumusi kilisiam lang ya karai ban menjur ban pyrshah be ya jing thmu jong sorkar India ban pyntreikam ya ke UCC lane Uniform Civil Code hapok ke jalan Meghalaya. Nakaliang jong gilai tali ki Autonomous District Council kilishim nakawai karai pan pyrshah ya karai ban pyntreikam ya ke UCC hagi katok ane ki pentabaha hapok ke sekshedel. Nakaliang jong gilai tali ki council kinsa pyrshah pan shimro ya karai lang ba ka dorbar halaki jong ki council hakabai dai bat kene ngaman. O CEM jong Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council ba Taito Starwell Chini ulong ba ka UCC kadai gijing terwa pan pyntreikam ki anshimet jong ginang shnong ka pyntreikam ya borok ginang shnong ka UCC ka don jibun gijing kan kata ai kriti distur kumi gijing tiu kurim bachisin ba ka UCC kan pyntreikam ngin sedon no i gijing kentiu kurim bakumjo kat ba ka riti distur ka jong ngipat ka jing tiu kurim ka ya per ba kumta ka jing tiu kurim hagan yambat hagariti distur kan syakta ul ru ba kum ki shidal tribe ka jing pyntreikam ya ka UCC kadai bomla setiaban priang apok ke
We
jelas
have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, we should pass this bill so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council like Chantia Hills and Karo Hill also. Maybe they will have more amendment or they will pass this separate bill which we call Village Development Council Bill. Thirdly, there are matters which we have discussed is regarding financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government like minor mineral share, major mineral share and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like a plan scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time. because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund like on tight scheme right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the 3 ADC. So we would like jointly to ask the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place.